Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Coupon Finder. Today, I'll show you how to get an exclusive 30% discount on Society6.com by using 3 special promo codes. So, stay tuned and save big on amazing designs. First, let's go to Society6.com. To get your discount, you first need to create an account. Click the sign up icon and enter your email. Society6 will send a confirmation code to your inbox. Society6 is a vibrant online marketplace that showcases a diverse collection of home decor, accessories, and lifestyle products, all designed by independent artists from around the world. The platform empowers creators by giving them a space to share their artwork, which is then transformed into high-quality products such as wall art, rugs, furniture, phone cases, and more. In the top menu, you can see all the categories of the site. For this example, we will select rugs in the home and living section. Here, we can see a variety of stylish designs, perfect for any space. Here are some stunning rugs. Let's go with this blue and white design. It's stylish and fits well with modern decor. Now, we select the 4x6 size and click Add to Cart. Next, let's proceed to checkout and apply our discount codes. At checkout, you'll find a section to enter promo codes. The first code is the one that appears on the screen. As you can see, a 30% discount has been applied to the total value. Now we will use the second code, which appears on the screen. Again, 30% off. Let's test one more. The third code appears on the screen. And we still get that amazing 30% off. Now, we just need to finalize the order. To complete the purchase, simply enter your shipping details and payment method. Society6 also accepts PayPal, making checkout even easier. And that's it. You just saved 30% on your Society6 purchase with these promo codes. Don't miss out on these exclusive savings. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more discount hacks. Visit smartcouponfinder.club for the latest promo codes and deals. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!